You ever wish you had the right tool for the job? Introducing to you a miniature angle grinder. This is the perfect companion for your DIY projects. This portable yet powerful tool is perfect for grinding and cutting a variety of materials. Whether you're working on cars or trucks, metal or tiles, this grinder has you covered. So don't let your project slow you down for a lack of tools, because this thing is priced just right. This Ubeast miniature angle grinder comes with 2 discs, 2 batteries. Just plug the charger in right there. It's real easy to change the blade. And if you're not satisfied with it, they're free returns. I dropped that link for you. Get your cordless mini angle grinder and take your DIY skills to the next level.